Ready to plant some new perennials? First, set the new pots where you'd like them and water everything to make the transition easier. The next day, come back and be ready to plant. Mark the spot where you'll be digging the hole, then with a small spade, dig a hole that's the same depth as the pot you're planting and twice as wide. If they're planted too deeply, roots could rot, and if they're planted too shallowly, they'll dry out. You can check the depth as you go. Once you have the hole dug, loosen the root ball to encourage roots to grow out into the soil instead of staying in a tight ball. Then set the plant in the hole. Add soil around the plant, filling the hole around halfway. Then water to settle the soil and prevent air pockets from forming. Finally, finish filling around the plant with soil, press it in firmly, and water again. Make it easy on yourself by adding a couple inches of mulch around newly planted perennials. It'll prevent weeds and help keep the soil moist longer. Just keep the mulch a few inches away from the plant's crown to give it some breathing room.
Hi, I'm Sherry with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, subscribe to our Garden Gate Magazine YouTube channel. You'll find tips, design ideas, how-to help for gardeners just like you. Be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a video.